To optimize your Google Analytics 4 setup, start by creating a new property in the Google Analytics admin section. This will give you access to the latest features and capabilities. When setting up your property, make sure to select the correct data retention period and choose whether to enable or disable data collection based on user location. Next, configure your data streams by setting up web, app, or both streams depending on your needs. For web streams, enter your website URL and verify your domain ownership through HTML tag, DNS record, or Google Tag Manager. For app streams, enter your app name and package name. Then download the configuration file to integrate with your app. After setting up your data streams, implement the Google Analytics 4 tag using Google Tag Manager or by copying the measurement ID and adding it to your website or app directly. It is essential to ensure that the tag is correctly installed and firing on all pages or screens. Configure events and parameters to track specific interactions such as button clicks, form submissions, or purchases. Use the debug view to test and validate your events and parameters. Set up conversions by marking key events as conversions, such as completed purchases or newsletter signups. To get the most out of Google Analytics 4, set up audiences based on user behavior, demographics, or other criteria. Use these audiences to create targeted advertising campaigns or personalize user experiences. Use the Reports and Explorations features to analyze your data and gain insights into user behavior. Regularly review and update your Google Analytics 4 setup to ensure it remains aligned with your business goals and objectives. Monitor data quality and address any issues promptly to maintain accurate and reliable data. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Google Analytics 4 setup and unlock the full potential of your data to drive business growth and improvement.